The Santorini Caldera, situated in the Aegean Sea, stands out as one of the Greece's most awe-inspiring natural wonders. This crescent-shaped island, formed through a volcanic eruption, is renowned for its striking cliffs, whitewashed structures, and breathtaking sunsets. The caldera, the sunken central part of the volcano, distinguishes Santorini as an exceptional destination unlike anywhere else in the region. The magnificence of Santorini Caldera unfolds from various vantage points across the island. One of the most frequent locations is the village of Oia, positioned on the island's northern tip, offering a panoramic vista of the entire caldera and the neighboring islands. Witnessing the sunset in Oia is an absolute must, as the sun descends into the sea, painting the sky with fairy red and orange hues. Another captivating spot is the village of Fira, the capital of Santorini. Built on the edge of the caldera, visitors can either take a cable car or traverse the steep steps to reach the old port. From there, embarking on a boat tour around the caldera provides the best opportunity to observe the volcanic landscape up close. The tour also includes a visit to the island of Nea Kameni, where hiking to the volcano's crater rewards you with panoramic views of the caldera and its awe-inspiring scenery. The beaches in Santorini possesses a distinct allure, owing to their black and red sand resulting from volcanic activity. Among the island's most renowned is the Red Beach, situated near the village of Akrotiri. Surrounded by towering red cliffs, rendering it one of the most picturesque spots in Greece. Beyond its natural splendor, Santorini is widely celebrated for its rich culture, featuring charming towns, remarkable architecture, friendly locals, and delectable cuisine. It is an idyllic destination to savor life at your own pace while enveloped in one of the world's most magnificent landscapes.